This is breaking news from News Channel 11.
This is a News Channel 11 breaking news alert as we continue to monitor both an officer-involved shooting and widespread flooding in our area. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us on this Saturday. I'm Sarah Diamond.
I'm Josh Smith. We've been following both these stories really for several hours now. In Sullivan County, the Sheriff's Office today has said that one of their sheriff's deputies has been injured in what the TBI has called an officer-involved shooting. It happened in the 2600 block of Highway 11W in Blountville.
A News Channel 11 viewer sent us video of law enforcement rushing by her home. Portions of Highway 11W near the 2600 block are blocked off. The end of this video, you actually hear gunshots. Again, this road is blocked off, and people and drivers, everything is being just held away from this area. Justin SOTO has been out on scene for several hours. He continues to monitor any new developments from the scene. Justin?
Well, Sarah and Josh, still no update from investigators here on scene in this officer-involved shooting, but it's still a very active scene. Nothing has changed in that regard. We do have TBI agents on scene as well as law enforcement from multiple agencies across the Tri-Cities who were here working this scene. We also did see a Carter County armored vehicle of some sort come onto the scene as well. And we're learning from a viewer who actually told us he heard gunshots this morning. He's telling us that the scene is more to the left of your screen here. We've seen investigators in that direction as well, blocking off roads so people are not getting in the way of this investigation. So we understand the scene is more to the left of where I'm standing. Again, the Dollar General, according to the Sheriff's Office, is not involved in this investigation. We understand the situation is unfolding in a home in this area here in Sullivan County, right at the intersection of 11W and Highway 394. Of course, a very busy area, but of course, no cars, unless you're an investigator, no cars allowed in this area right now as multiple law enforcement agencies continue to investigate this officer-involved shooting. And of course, as soon as we learn more about this investigation, we'll bring it to you live right here on News Channel 11. But for now, reporting live here in Sullivan County, I'm Justin SOTO, News Channel 11 in your corner.
Justin, thank you. And we're covering more breaking news this afternoon. Heavy rain has prompted emergency rescues and evacuations. A lot of covered roads in our region at this hour.
Yeah, News Channel 11 viewers are sending us some incredible photos of flooding in their community. This is some of them. This is Boonesboro Road in Gray, Tennessee. This is the Greenbelt in Kingsport. Also, Lovers Lane in Carter County has a lot of flooding. Broad Street in Elizabethton is reporting very high water and flooding there, as well as Carmel Village in Johnson City. Our team coverage continues. Chief Meteorologist Mark Reynolds is here with us in our Storm Center. Mark, you have been warning us about these serious conditions all week up until late last night, and here they are.
Yeah, they're here, and we unfortunately have more rain to go before it's all said and done. The other concern, after the rain ends, the winds pick up, and even 20 to 40 mile per hour winds could take down trees because our ground is so saturated. So I do want to stress that fact, and that'd be late tonight into early tomorrow afternoon. Hey, take a look at the radar. We're still covered up here, still watching the showers coming into play. And yes, we've been watching very heavy rain all the way down towards Knoxville. This moisture continues to stream into the region. And again, we're just looking at one particular radar here, but as we expand that view, look at the very heavy rain back towards Knoxville, coming right up into southwest Virginia and northeastern Tennessee as well. So just give you an idea, we're still looking at flood warnings. They're still in effect right now through many of the areas as we're watching the rivers very carefully. Our whole storm team is in here as well. We're watching this closely. If you live along those rivers, creeks, streams, and you see water rising and it's threatening your area, you want to seek higher ground immediately. Look at our rainfall tally now, guys. 9.82 inches. We're still climbing. That's the wettest February on record. And again, just goes in the top 5 there as the wettest on record. So another possibility for a half inch to maybe as much, believe it or not, of 1 to 2 inches from now through tomorrow morning as we watch this rain still making its way right across the area. And you can see this heavy rain, even a possibility of thunderstorms later tonight. So we're going to be getting a break late today, then thunderstorms tonight. And then, guys, the big concern, the winds pick up tomorrow morning. That could bring down some trees as we have very saturated ground. Much more to forecast throughout the day.
Mark, thanks.
Our team tonight's on the scene of an evacuation that's underway. That's on Huffine Road in Johnson City right now.
Yeah, evacuations are underway. Kristen Gallant joins us there live. Cars are in that area. Some people, you say, were trapped in their homes.
I just spoke with members of the Potter family who live in the mobile home community Carmel Village, which is right across the street. We're on Todd Road right now, and they live in that mobile home that you can see over there. In total, there were 7 people in that mobile home. They were all just rescued. The EMS took 2 boat rides over there. On the first, they rescued 2 adults and 2 children. On the second ride over there, they had 1 child and 2 adults, along with the 5 dogs who were in that home. So now that home is vacant. EMS has been knocking on several doors over on Todd Road and on Carmel Village, asking people if they were evacuating and suggesting that they do. For now, we're in Washington County, Tennessee. Live, Kristen Gallant, News Channel 11 in your corner.
Kristen, thank you. The Tennessee Department of Transportation issued an update about closed roads. State Route 353 is closed at Hall Road in Washington County.
State Route 67 at Cherokee Elementary is closed due to flooding, and State Route 75 is closed in Washington County, Tennessee due to high water there.
Rains resulted in a mudslide in Carter County on Highway 321 around Watauga Lake.
The road is blocked 1.5 miles south of Fish Springs and Hampton due to a mudslide covering the road around Watauga Lake.
Reports of another mudslide not far from there, also in Johnson County. Route 167, the Roan Creek Road, just past Dyson Grove Baptist Church in Roan Creek. The Butler area going toward Mountain City closed at this hour.
We are going to continue monitoring this breaking weather and flooding updates, as well as the officer that was injured during an officer-involved shooting in Sullivan County, both on the air as well as our website, WJHL.com. Thanks for joining us. I'm Sarah Diamond.
I'm Josh Smith. Back in another hour with more news.